So, do you need a hand getting started with AI? Let's have a look at a few things and just see how we can get started. First of all, the purpose of this video is to get you to have some curiosity about artificial intelligence. Now, I know many people have heard so many different things and we all have our own opinion. I get that. But you've got to really keep an open mind to, or just think differently. Keep an open mind. That's the point. Have a look at you know, just different things and have a curiosity. So let's have a look at it. Well, look, in November 22, ChatGPT, an AI, came out. And then within January 23, there was 552 AI applications that were available. And I distinctly remember standing in front of an audience saying, hey, this AI thing is around for the long haul and it's just going to get better. And then in January 24, there was 1,124 apps available. Now, there's a website that has a directory of all the ones that are available, and it's actually called There's an AI for that. And guess what? 18,000 AI agents, tools, apps, call them what you like, that are available to you. You know, we have tools for everything. It's just like any other trade, whether it be carpentry or metalwork. You have tools to do your job. But the real question is, I want you really to think about this. I'm sort of laughing as we go, but can you imagine having 18,000 people behind you saying, here I am willing to help you with whatever task you're doing? That's phenomenal. People don't have that in their mindset. They get all, scared about, oh, well, you've got so many tools. How would I choose one? Forget that. Just start with the mindset of saying, hey, AI is there to help you. And that's really the core message of this video. AI is there to help you. And there's certainly a lot of them. Because the way I like to think about AI is really it's an extension of yourself. Now, I get asked, very often, how do I make money out of AI? You don't. You don't. AI is there to help you do whatever you're currently doing, but more effectively. And yes, out of that, as a byproduct, there probably is a financial gain there. And also, yes, that many opportunities have been opened up because of AI. But you really want to be thinking it's just another tool. Remember when Microsoft came out with Excel or Word document? That was all very foreign at those times. And it's turned into just another tool that we use. Well, this is how you should approach AI in your life, that it's really just an extension of yourself. And the nice thing about it is there to help you learn. And that's beautiful because you don't have to know everything. I do a lot of tutorials, how do I do this and how do I do that? I don't need to do that anymore. I have a personal assistant helping me on my training and my learning. And that personal assistant, I've actually given a name. Let's move on. Yes, you do need to give AI a name. If you're going to select a personal assistant, don't treat it like Google, where you keyboard and you ask a question. It's not like that. It's your personal assistant. Yeah, mine is Sam, SAMM. I won't tell you what it stands for. You could probably guess. But you treat it like a personal assistant that's going to help you with whatever you do. And it's just so good. It's just so good. But you can't get ahead unless you have the mindset. So when you talk about AI, and I'll do another video on how to get started on ChatGPT and things like that, and some of the tools that I use are in my book, the AI Red Book .com. It is where you can have a look at that. But I share the tools that I use because I find them useful. but you might find other tools out there that are even more useful to the type of work that you do. But the main point is don't be scared of it. Give it a name and dive in, because the attitude really is AI is an opportunity or a challenge. It's your choice. It really is your choice. It's an opportunity to move forward or it's a challenge. But the thing is, AI is the future. You can't deny it. It's been here for too long. The evidence over the last 1 year, 2 years is there. It's a part of every single career. So please, I urge you, get onto this, make a start, have a look at some other videos on how to get started. And of course, if you're wanting the tools that I use, then that's in the AI Red Book. And I highly recommend that, because the fact that they're the tools that I use, and I demonstrate in other videos how I use them, and that'll be useful to you. So I hope that's helpful. I hope it's inspiring to change your attitude towards AI. Let's see how it pans out. Cheers.